My name's Chelsea and I'm the Key Account Manager for Eastman Dental Implants. I've been affiliated with ACE since they've been running a few of their courses, their occlusion courses, their implant courses. I know Kushal quite well as he actually uses Eastman implants in practice, so that's where the relationship started. I think the implant journey course so far has been really exciting. It's been great to speak to all the delegates from the course, as there's a huge variation of experience. So you'll have some that are undergrads, some that are just starting their restorative implant journey, whilst other clinicians who've been placing for quite a while, and they've all came away with some nuances that they can take away with them. So I think it's a great course for not only beginners, but also for experienced clinicians. I think one of the really useful tools that kind of sets this course apart from other courses that are quite similar is the fact that the clinicians actually get to plan the cases themselves on a digital planning software. So they will bring the laptops with them, it gets loaded onto the laptops, and it just helps them to start thinking how to case plan and how to prepare for these implant surgeries that they're going to be doing. So I thought that was a really, really nice touch, and other courses out there don't really do that, so I thought that's a really good thing. I would definitely recommend the ACE courses to my clients. I have recommended them for the implant journey. We've actually got quite a few Straumann customers on the course, and now having seen it firsthand, I definitely have no hesitation with referring people again.